The Galaxy S24 series seems to be coming soon. Samsung has officially said that the new flagship will be unveiled on January 17 in San Jose, California. You may register for the device online if you wish to obtain the phone. We don't yet know the official prices, but a Korean report claims to have discovered how much the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra will cost in Samsung's native country. According to the report, the prices for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus with 256GB storage will stay the same as in 2023, but the 512GB versions will be more expensive, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be more expensive in all variations. In this area, the Galaxy S24 series will be equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor rather than the Exynos 2400, with the Snapdragon choice expected to give superior performance than the Exynos SoC. Samsung has released a new teaser for the Galaxy S24, which will most likely appear as TV commercials in the United States. The teaser looks back at previous innovations released with Samsung phones, pushing viewers to reassess their preconceptions of what a future smartphone may actually be. Samsung has made important improvements in smartphone technology, such as releasing the Galaxy Note series with bigger and more immersive displays in 2014, water-resistant devices in 2015, and Samsung Pay being a top choice for mobile payments among Galaxy device users. A significant change occurred in 2020, when Samsung reintroduced the old flip phone design with the first Galaxy Z Flip. Fast forward 4 years, and it has become one of Samsung's most popular smartphone series, with more growth expected. The new Galaxy S24 series teaser gives us a taste of what's coming on January 17. Samsung is labeling the AI capabilities that will debut with the Galaxy S24 series as Galaxy AI, with these features expected to reach other phones later in the year. The Galaxy S24 will be known as the first to use them. Samsung is currently accepting pre-orders for the Galaxy S24 series, and if you opt to pre-order a Galaxy S24, you will get a discount. If you're thinking about upgrading to the Galaxy S24, you can pre-reserve the device on Samsung's official website and earn a $50 credit from the company. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.